Hello and welcome to day 42 of Bedtime Welsh. Very important number because that's the answer to life, the universe and everything. But you probably haven't read that book, have you? No. But it's 6 weeks. We've been doing this for 6 weeks. You've been doing this for 6 weeks. So what do we think of the kids who've been doing this for 6 weeks?
Awesome and amazing.
Awesome and amazing. It is fantastic that you've done so much. You've made such an effort and hopefully enjoyed. So well done. Well done, all of you. Right, another little addition to the game today. No, it's not the fact that Anghar's hair has just turned blue. Don't know how that happened. Just by accident and become shorter. Okay, yeah. Gotten shorter, really. You're American, are you? Oh, lovely. So, yeah, with this new bright blue hair, we're going to give you a new bright blue word, which isn't blue. And the word is to answer. To answer in Welsh is ateb. Ateb. So, to answer is
Ateb.
Ateb. So, I want to answer.
Dwi isio ateb.
Dwi isio ateb. How about I need to answer? We haven't done that for a while. Can you remember need? I need to answer.
Dwi angen ateb.
Dwi angen ateb. If you got that straight away, fantastic. Well done. If you didn't, no problems. You've just had a reminder, so that's all perfect. Right, next up, how about I wanted to answer? I wanted to answer.
Oni isio ateb.
Oni isio ateb. Okay, how about do you want to answer?
Wyt ti isio ateb.
Wyt ti isio ateb. And last one for this new one. Do you want to answer now?
Wyt ti isio ateb rŵan.
Da iawn. Wyt ti isio ateb rŵan? So you can ask a whole bunch of questions now and you can start to demand that your parents give you the answer. So that's really good. Play around with it a little bit. Think of your own sentences. And we'll see you tomorrow. And oh, it looks as if I might need a little bit of a shave before then. Yeah. And we'll see if Anghar's hair is still blue tomorrow or if it's become a different colour. Who knows? Okay. Hwyl am y tro. Ta-ra wan.